Hello everybody, Certified Reflexologist Helen Chin Liu and author of Know Your Chakras, catch my book, from the Healing Place Energy School. Well, I just want to let you know, I just filmed a quick hand reflexology tip from my course, How to Protect and Support Your Respiratory System. If you are concerned about catching COVID, or perhaps you might have asthma, COPD, this course is for you. Just imagine activating your healing with your fingers and your thumbs. That's how easy it is. You can actually begin the healing process. To learn more about the course, and I want to show you this tip, please click, follow, and subscribe the link below, and it will take you to the hand reflexology tip and more about the course. So this is Helen Chin Liu, another tip coming your way, and I'll see you in the classroom. Bye-bye and be well.